Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya Jadhav and today we are going to learn English Grade 10 Poem 1 The Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. So let us know something about the poet. Robert Frost was an American poet. Frost frequently wrote about settings from rural life, that is village or country life. Robert Frost is considered as a realistic poet because he showcases the real scenario of our life, whether it is happiness, sorrow, death, joy, anxiety, etc. So let us start with the reading of the poetry. The way the crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. So over here, the poet is starting the poetry by indicating that the poet is in a bad mood. Now over here it is not directly mentioned that the poet is in a sad mood or the poet is depressed. But over here there are two indications which indicates the thing. The first one is crow. Crow is considered as a bad omen. And the second one is the hemlock tree. A hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. So we can come to know that the poet is in a depressed state of mind. When he was sitting under that tree, a crow just shook his feathers and showered the dust of snow on him. The second paragraph says, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of day I had ruined. When this small incident happened with the poet, all of a sudden his heart changed and his mood also changed. What happened? When he saw this thing, he watched that how lovely and beautiful the nature around him is. That even a small incident can make us feel happy and can make us feel sad. When this small incident of showering of that snow happened with the poet, he was sad and for a fraction of second he thought that he was happy. And that small incident helped the poet that he could save his day from getting spoiled. This is all about the poem. The poem is really very short, but the meaning is really important. Over here, once again, I am saying that the poet wants to convey one message that one small incident can change our whole day. For example, if we are happy, if something good happens to us we are happy for the whole day. But if something bad, something sad happens with us, our day remains gloomy. So, this is really very essential and important message which the poet wants to share to us. So, now let us go through the figures of speech of the poetry. The first one, the way a crow shook down on me. The first figure of speech over here is metonymy. What does metonymy means? It is an attribute or a thing which is closely related to another. Now over here crow represents sorrow. Now it is not directly mentioned that the poet is in bad mood or depressed or sad, but through crow it is being described over here. The second one is the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. So over here the figure of speech is metonymy. Over here the hemlock tree represents bad omen or something which is negative. The third one has given my heart a change of mood. So the first figure of speech over here is synecdoche. Now synecdoche means a part stands for a whole or a whole stands for a part. So over here a human part, that is heart, represents the whole poet, which is the human being. So this becomes synecdoche. The next one is alliteration. Now over here the consonant sound H is being repeated in the words has and heart. So this becomes alliteration. The next figure of speech is and saved some part of day I had ruined. Now over here the figure of speech is alliteration. Here the consonant sound S is being repeated in the words saved and some. So this is all about the figures of speech of the poet. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. If you are having any queries, you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you.